Hey YouTube, it's Speednetics here, and today we're going to clean my truck manifold from my 5.3 LS. Let's get started. And here's the LM7 truck intake manifold. I'm going to take this flashlight, I'm going to show you deep inside of there real quick. Let me turn the camera. Alright, so you can see down in there, there's lots of oil and just grime and dirt. Not sure what all's in there, but this truck manifold came off of a truck in the junkyard, so it didn't have a hood on it or anything, and so it was exposed to all of the elements. So I'm sure there's dirt and sand and all that in there, and you definitely don't want that going down inside of your cylinders. That will cause problems for sure. So there's the runners right there. You can see they're pretty nasty, and we're gonna try to get all of that out of there today. Okay, so step one was to find this container. And the intake kind of doesn't fit in there perfectly. I had to, you can see it's kind of convex here. I had to kind of shove it down in there, but that's fine. See, just barely too long, but if I turn it at an angle in there. Oh! It goes right down in there, perfect. Scuffing it up a little bit. If it wasn't for those studs that mounts to the throttle body, it'd probably be fine. Okay, so that's step one. Got the intake inside of the container here. I'm gonna run the hot water over the top of it, and I'm gonna go and grab the turbo power, and we're just gonna start dumping it in there on top of the water. So here we go. We're using all of it. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so that was step two, and now I'm just going to let this thing soak here for about 30 minutes, maybe an hour, I'm not really sure. Let that degreaser work in there, start loosening up all that grime, and we'll come back and we'll start scrubbing on it, see how it does. Okay guys, I'm back, and I can tell that it's starting to work because I can see the oil separating on top of the water and the degreaser here, so that's a good sign. The water's still pretty hot. Let's flip this thing over and see. Let's have a look-see down inside of there. Oh wow. It's already gotten a lot of it off without even any scrubbing at all. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna dip my brush in here and then I'm gonna run it down inside of this intake. Oh good God. Oh man, I can see it just freaking. Whenever I pull the brush back out of there, I can just see it like globbing up on top of the bristles. Okay guys, so I forgot to film an outro, so here I am. The intake manifold, it came pretty clean. It's not as clean as I would like it to be. Let me show you. So, you can see down inside of there, there's still plenty of carbon buildup, still plenty of dirt and oil. It's close to being done. I think if I use a higher concentration of degreaser, it will come the rest of the way clean. I'm also going to try to use a pressure washer to spray down inside of there and try to blast that stuff out. There's a lot of carbon buildup, especially on that runner right there. So what I used is this grill brush and a toilet scrub brush, and I picked them both up at like Dollar General or Home Depot or somewhere. You can find them. So this is just the first video. I know there's like 1,000 videos on YouTube of this, and I'm not the best at it, don't claim to be. I'm just showing you how I did it. We're learning together. This is what this YouTube channel is gonna be. This is what this YouTube channel is gonna be about. Sorry, my brain thinks faster than my mouth can speak sometimes. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications. The videos are only gonna get better from here. Leave a comment down below telling me what I could do better. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.